Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a Wollensak 8080. This is a quad deck. It plays both stereo and quad tapes. It will not record in quad because it only has 2 inputs, which kind of surprises me about Wollensak, but that's the way it is. And then another thing too is when you're listening to a stereo tape, most tape decks automatically switch between 2 and 4 channel operation. Your 4 channel cartridges had this little notch. I don't know if you can see it right there, but your 4 channel cartridges have this little notch cut out that tells an internal switch. This is a 4 channel tape, so go into 4 channel mode. On this unit you have to select it manually, 2 channel or 4 channel. Now if you're listening to a stereo tape, it has to be on 2 channel, because if you've got it on 4 channel you're going to get 2 tracks at once. That's just the way the machine is. It doesn't divide the channels. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and test the quad function first, and let's go ahead and pop in some Danny Thomas and Nashville brass. Take a look at our meters. You can see they're okay, and it's now, of course, this is a 4 channel tape. A 4 channel tape only has 2 programs, so after program 2, it's going to skip over 3 and 4, then go back to 1. 3, 4, 1. 2. Okay, between songs here. 3, 4, 1. Okay, now we're back to track 1. There we go. Alrighty, go to eject that. We don't want this stuff playing too long, so we can avoid copyright issues. Let's go ahead and play a stereo tape. Neil Sadako, slip it to 2 channel, and we're only going to get 2 speakers, because obviously if we use, well, I'll demonstrate it for you.
If you're friend, if you're
okay, we fill it to 4 channel. Yeah, that's why you can't have it on 4 channel when you're listening to a stereo tape. So you only get 2 speakers when playing back a stereo tape. Flip it to 4 channel. Get 2 songs at once. We don't want that. Alright, so there we go. Hit the eject button and the tape spit itself out. So that concludes the test. It's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I am Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions. Now that normally applies to car units. Home units, they're not really nearly as complicated. Home units, just fix it, Car units, there's like more than a dozen ways that the radio can be fixed. So car unit customers, please do download and print the work order before calling me with questions. And this comes from Mark, by the way, in looks like Gaston, South Carolina. So thank you very much, Mark, for your business from all the way across the country. Thank you guys for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.